Hey y'all, it's me, Lindsay, and today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul for you. Yes, that's right y'all, a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started. Okay, this was a few Dollar Tree trips that I made. So, sorry I haven't been on YouTube, by the way. I took a little break off for the holidays and now I'm back. But I got this Valentine's Day velvet ribbon because my favorite colors are pink. I can use this any time of year. This is deeper hot pink and this is light pink, and I thought it was really pretty. And then I got some brand new Ioni lashes. This is the style Natural Light Wispy, if it'll focus. Very, very beautiful. And this is the style Natural Light Doll. They're both the natural kind. They didn't have any large ones, but they look like they're from a Valentine's Day collection because they've got like Cupid on the back or something and roses. So yeah, I got 4 pairs of those. I'm going to give 2 of those to my friend Catherine. If you're watching, Catherine, I love you. I got the LA Colors Hydrating Lipstick in bright pink. I've tried this lipstick out before. I've got a coral one too, and it's a great formula. It feels very hydrating, like it says. It's like a satin lipstick. I'm trying to get it out of the package so I can show you a swatch. If you hear my cat sharpening their claws in the background, yeah. But this is a very hot pink, so if you don't like really hot pinks, you won't like this. But you might like the other coral shade. It matches my hair, so that's why I got it. And I love LA Colors. Another one from LA Colors I got is the blush. It is in the shade Berry Plum. And it said new and improved. And it's in this cute pink packaging. And it comes with a little brush. And I thought that would be cute, like maybe if you were traveling or something, or just like, I haven't tried it out yet, but I thought it would be cool. So, if I can find enough Dollar Tree makeup, I'll do another Dollar Tree makeup haul, but it's always really hard for me to find my shade of foundation. So yeah. I also found this Ioni liquid lipstick in the color Pisces. It's from the Zodiac collection, and it's another hot pink, but it's in a liquid lipstick, and I have worn this. I just kept it in the packaging for y'all, and it's a good formula. It just kind of dries down on your lips, and it's a hot pink as well. It almost looks the exact same as the hydrating lipstick. This one's just gonna last a little longer. So if you like liquid lipsticks, this is the shade down here. This is the liquid lipstick, and this is the, so this one's more of a purpley fuchsia pink, and this one's more of a true pink. I also found some cuticle trimmers. I have never had a pair of these in forever, so I picked them up. Yeah, I thought that was cool. And be careful trimming your cuticles. I know how to do it because I went to cosmetology school, but look it up online. I'm sure there's a video. I found these confetti crayons. I got one for me and one for a friend. I couldn't believe I found the Crayola brand. And let's just look at them. I haven't opened them, so. It says bursting bits of color. Each Crayola confetti crayon has specks of color inside for surprising streaks and a party inside every crayon. Oh, okay, this is gonna end up being my pack because the red broke. But this is the colors. These are some of the colors. I don't know if you can tell. It comes with red, white, orange, like a chartreusey green, light blue, fuchsia, regular green, and white, and red. So far, the specs just look really little. It doesn't look like super cool, but I'll use them because they're Crayola. And I like to color in my adult coloring books. By the way, you can find those at Dollar Tree sometimes if you get lucky too. So for Valentine's Day storage and also just throughout the year, I found this. And it's a 2-pack for $1.25. And this would be cute if you had like 2 kids you were going to do a Valentine's basket for. But honestly, I don't have any kids or anything. I'm just going to store makeup or something in this. Or, yeah. But, I thought it was cool how it came in a 2-pack. And it's pink, which is my favorite color. So I had to pick it up. Also found this exclusively at my Dollar Tree. I don't know if this is at a lot of Dollar Trees, but I was super excited because this looks like an item that would be from like Hot Topic or Sanrio. This was Hello Kitty and Friends, and it's a folder, and it's got My Melody, Hello Kitty, and Kuromi on it, dressed in like electronic raver suits. And then on the back, it's got all her friends, like Batsmaru, Little Twin Stars, Keroppi, Purin. Yeah, I know all of them because I love Sanrio. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So it's got all the friends on the pocket. I thought it was so cute. I got 2 of these because there was quite a few. And I keep coloring pages in here, or my art that I draw. Or sometimes I keep tax documents or anything I've got to keep from work, such as like educational materials. So I thought that was cool. I got this 5x7 photo frame. I thought it really looked nice. And I have a art print that I think may fit in here. If not, oh well, it just looks nice. And yeah, it's so cute. The art print I have is of a little alien girl, a little Martian astronaut woman that one of my favorite artists made from Facebook. I got a 5-pack of COVID face masks. I work in the service industry, and sometimes I need these for clients that want me to keep a mask, or if they need a mask because they're sick or something, I offer them a mask. So you can never be too safe out there. I thought this was so cute. This is just some notepads, and it's pink, and it says enjoy the now, and it has abstract faces on it. I thought that was too cute, and it's got a magnet on the back that you can hang on your fridge or something. That was cool. I got this 2-pack of shower caps because I'm always needing shower caps, and this is good if you ever got to travel, or even if you just run out of shower caps, yours starts stinking because you've been using it for a while. Woo! Get you a new shower cap about every few months or so. Just keep smelling your shower cap. But yeah. And then this is the last bag. I got my favorite Sweet Chaos drizzled popcorn in black and white. This is a really, really good snack, and it is really yummy if you like white chocolate drizzled popcorn. And it is popped with, it's non-GMO, whole grain, made with cane sugar and sea salt. It's got really good ingredients in it, and it's only 210 calories for the whole bag. And I think it's popped in like avocado oil or something like that. I'm not for sure. But yeah, of course it's not, of course it's like candy or whatever because it's got, but I really like this brand, Sweet Chaos. Oh, popped in coconut oil. My bad, not avocado oil. And then I got these 2 trifle containers from Dollar Tree. They have them for birthday parties, like decorating or like something like that. Put gumballs in them. You could put candy in them. I'm gonna put makeup beauty blenders and other things in them and set them on my vanity. They're just made out of plastic, so they're not meant for long-term use, like of really heavy things. But this is just really cute, and it matches my hair, it matches my aesthetic. hot pink is my favorite color, so I had to get it. And I went ahead and bought 2. Don't know if I needed to, but I went ahead and bought it. You know how it is at the Dollar Tree. You always buy more than you need because everything's $1.25. And then I thought this was so cute. This iridescent powder puff and this iridescent loofah that they have right now. They have a lot of pink stuff, I think, for Valentine's Day. And I found this, and this is beautiful year round. I don't use loofahs that much, but I had to get this one. And it feels so soft, and hopefully it works good in the shower. But either way, it's just, I had to get it because it was pink. So yeah, this is, let's see, do I have any more bags? I do not have any more bags. I know this was just a quick small haul, but I wanted to share with you some of my favorite pink Dollar Tree items and other hauled items. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, y'all, bye bye.